Hi guys, hi, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is AliceWalker.London, and if you're my old subscriber, hi. So today we are going to do a review on makeup beauty brushes. I'm so excited about this video actually because I started my channel with doing makeup, so that's what I love. Like I always say, I love doing makeup, and I'm actually going to apply the makeup on my face first, and at the end of the video I will tell you what I think about these brushes. I'll give you my honest opinion about these brushes. I'm going to show you the brushes first of all before we go ahead and apply the makeup. These are the brushes. There you go. This is how they look like. The brushes are called HEYMKGO, which means Hey Makeup Go. The company who created these makeup brushes are called World Just Micro Technology, and they're a professional makeup tools company. The main idea behind creating these makeup brushes is actually to provide their customers with valuable products, and at the same time having in mind about the environmental protection and also the quality of their products. So I'm very excited. I use the eyeshadow brushes to apply my eyeshadow, which I have done already. So now I'm going to use the rest to apply the rest of my face, and then I will give you my opinion of what I think about these brushes at the end of the video. So this is how they came. So they come in this little beautiful leather wallet, and the brushes are a set of 15 pieces. So there they are. So there's a set of 15 pieces. I'm going to read on the screen and tell you what these makeup brushes includes. So these makeup brushes includes a set of 15 makeup brushes in champagne gold looks. It comes with foundation brushes, face brush, powder brush, eyeliner brush, eyebrow brush, eyeshadow brush, angled brush, concealer brush, blush, contouring blush, blending brush, and more, plus a cosmetic bag. So this is a cosmetic bag, and it comes in the same color as the brushes that they come in, which gives it that stylish look. So yeah, let's get on with the video. First of all, we're going to apply the foundation. I'm not going to tell you what product I'm using today because it's all about the brushes. We have finished applying the makeup. This is what the makeup turned out to be, and I love it. It looks flawless. When I started putting my makeup on, I have like little black marks from scars from my acne that I got some time ago. Now I feel like it's super flawless. The makeup turned out really nice, and I use 100%, almost 100% brushes, which I'd never ever do, because I just wanted to get a feel of these brushes and see how good they are or how flawless they will leave my makeup to look. What I prefer using a brush for when I'm doing makeup is actually to apply my foundation, and also I prefer using it for my contouring, and also for obviously my eyeshadow. But apart from that, setting my under eye and also setting my whole face and blending in my contour and my concealer, I prefer beauty. And yep, so this is what I've done. They're called HEYMKGO, Hey Makeup Go brushes. For me, I like my foundation brush to be quite dense. My powder brush has to be super soft, and it shouldn't be too dense, because I don't want it to absorb too much powder when I'm applying the powder on my face. But with my foundation, I like it dense. That's when I get the best application on my face, especially if I want a big face. You have to make sure that the brushes that you are picking is going to leave your makeup looking absolutely flawless, the finish looking flawless. So you don't want your makeup brushes to be really hard. You need to pick soft makeup brushes. The brittle shouldn't be uneven, it shouldn't be irregular, it should be all like one level. You have to ensure that the brush that you are picking, the brittle is not shedding, so it has to be held in place by this metal bit. It shouldn't shed at all when you are using it. It should be quite secure. Those are the most important stuff that you look out for when you are picking beauty brushes. Now I'm gonna go to what I think about these brushes in terms of value for money. I think they are value for money because they're 15 pieces and this is $11.99, which I think is good, and I will purchase the any day. So when it comes to the price, it's value for money. $11.99 is absolutely brilliant. It's on the budget. You get your eyeshadow brushes, you get your face brushes, your foundation, your contour brushes, everything that you need, you get it from this. So for me, it's good price. It's a good price. And we go to the quality, and I think the quality is pretty good, and there are others that are much more quality than this one, but for what it is and for what it does, it's pretty good. So if you want a budget, these are the brushes I believe that to go for. They do what you need and it gives you a flawless finish like I've got in here. I normally use whichever one I feel is good for whichever application that I'm trying to do. Normally it comes, it said this one is for foundation, this one is for that, this one is for that. Sometimes the one that they've said is for foundation, sometimes I don't like it for my foundation, so I pick whichever one I feel like will be good for my foundation application, or whichever one that I think will give me the most flawless contour application. So that's how I use my brushes. The foundation one is got the just a right amount of brittle that you need to apply your foundation. So I actually absolutely love that one, and when I applied my foundation, it gave me a super flawless finish, and I love that. I mean, you can see that for yourself, so I really love that. And in terms of the powder brush, I love that one as well. It's got just amount of density, it's super soft. The brittle is even. It doesn't actually prick your skin when you're applying the powder. It doesn't absorb too much powder, or it doesn't take less powder. It takes just the right amount of powder that you need for your face. So I absolutely love that. This is the one I use for my contour, the angled one, because I like to sweep it that way. And this one is absolutely perfect. I don't need that much energy to actually blend it in. It blended very well, and I love this one as well. The eyeshadow brushes are actually not so bad. I use the flat one, this one there, to apply the green eyeshadow, as you can tell, and it went on pretty smoothly, and it actually blended pretty nicely as well. There was no streaks left on my eyeshadow, as you can tell, so I love that. The one that I didn't like is the one for the corner. That's my only cons, that what I didn't like, they were too thick. I prefer it a little bit thinner, so they go inside the corners pretty easily. So I can't use big brushes or thick brushes to apply my eyeshadow, you know, the eyeshadow for the crease, because it's gonna go everywhere. But apart from that, I actually love these as well. The brittle, everything is super soft. I love that. In terms of style and color, like I said, they're pretty gorgeous. They're actually pretty lightweight. They're not as thick. The color is beautiful. Champagne gold is beautiful. I love the color. I love the color. I love the style. So in terms of style, I like them. Overall, I would recommend these brushes. For the price, you cannot go wrong with these brushes. I bought some brushes, beauty brushes, for similar price, which I think it was even a little bit more than this. It was like $13.99, and it came in a brittle, was super hard. and every time I applied my makeup with it, it was just pinching my skin and I hated it. The metal bit wasn't that secure and it was coming out everywhere. But this one is good quality and I will recommend. For those of you who are thinking of purchasing or who like what they saw and they want to inquire more about it, I'm going to leave the link in my description box below, so go check them out. And yeah, thank you very much guys for coming and for watching. If you watched it all the way till the end, thank you for watching and God bless. Stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.